Education in a Digital Era, a brief summary video by Jack Crawford, B1601599. What is the digital era? The digital era is a space of time in which digital technology has begun to be used in order to augment and assist humans in everyday tasks. This applies to the education system, as over the past 15 years, especially as a large push integrating technology into every day has occurred. Positives of the digital era. It allows a more free online-based learning environment where students can work through items at their own pace. It allows an immediate feedback system through programs. This allows children to work independently without teacher marking and validation. Digital examination may also be used in order to allow students to be marked fairly no matter what they have, if they have a disability or if they have poor handwriting. Positives of the digital era continued. Text-to-speech and other digital aids could be used in order to facilitate education for all. This was cited in Hattie 2012. The current generation is raised as computer literate, therefore it should be used as part of their assessment. The negatives of the digital era. Applying digital resources requires a lot of money and time, both of which are resources in short supply in education. Very little has changed in the classroom over the past 100 years. This has led to classrooms becoming very stagnant places which are totally separated from real life. Digital education seems to have been bolted onto the side of the standard education system. This lack of integration is obvious and causes a lack of consistency in education. Many teachers still in the education system are digital migrants, so they weren't raised by using technology. This is especially seen at higher education levels. And for references, see the WordPress document, key question 1 and 2.